We're looking at understanding linear differential equation and understanding how to solve it. First thing is, how does a linear equation look like? I hope you guys remember. So it is ax plus by is equal to c, right? So your linear equation, of course it does not look like this, but somewhat like that. P of x into y plus q of x. Or we have one more version, y prime plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Generally we end up writing in this manner. Now, what is the basic idea behind this method? When I tell this method, actually this heading is incomplete. In solving linear differential equation. See, we have to make an observation over here. Pause and think over. This particular thing, what is that I've written over here, looks like what from differentiation. How does it look like? I'll give you guys a clue. You have y here, you have y prime over here. Yes, it looks like a product rule. Okay, so basically if I happen to the antiderivative, it looks like this, right? On differentiating, it would look like this, is it not? So this is our agenda basically. Okay, so basically we have to get from this post integration something like this. This would be the general expression that we get at last. Okay guys, so if I differentiate this, what do I end up with? Well, this is product rule, so ax into y prime plus a prime of x into y is equal to b prime of x. Now let's look at this particular expression in comparison to this particular linear differential equation. So we have y over here, that's good. So this two, that's okay. You know, they are somehow related, that's good. So y prime, and somehow, you know, something is missing over here, and that missing is somehow related to this. Right, that's a hint. Remember, it has to do with product rule. See, again, I'm building up the knowledge so that you guys, even when you're tensed, you remember the basic concept. If you're strong with your basic concept, it's easy to not do mistakes. Now, so there is some relationship between your a of x and a prime of x and p of x, right? And the agenda over here is somehow manipulate a to get b. That's a clear cut set agenda. Okay guys, so the missing value, if you observe, it has some property. It should have the original function, that is p of x. The derivative of this missing piece should be equal to p of x into something actually. Okay, when I differentiate this, I should get p of x. It should repeat itself on differentiation. Now, which particular expression or, you know, which particular function satisfies this? Forget about that, I'll keep it short. Which particular function on differentiating repeats itself? Yes, e to the power of x. Along with this, if we make use of product rule, we somehow will be able to solve such questions. Again, I'm just building up the knowledge. Whatever you understand over here will be made clear in the next set of videos. Okay, so for now just write this. It will help you think towards that. It will make sense to you, I can promise.